I'm Judy Shaw for NYSE Floor Talk. Joining me today is Jay Woods, Chief Market Strategist for DriveWealth. Jay, thanks for coming back on the show.
Thanks for having me again. It's been a fun few days down here.
All right, now quick note to our viewers, this interview is for informational purposes only. The NYSE doesn't recommend any investments or investment strategies. All right, so Jay, we spoke yesterday. We were talking about a post-Fed market rally, and we were in the green. And I'm wearing green today, hoping that we were going to be talking about the same, but we've seen a lot of red today with the Dow falling beneath 30,000 for the first time since January 2021.
Yeah.
What happened?
No luck. What we saw, unfortunately, was a repeat of what happened after the last Fed meeting back in May, where they raised 50 basis points, and we had a strong rally in the afternoon, and then we couldn't sustain it the next day. So one thing we talked about yesterday was, can we sustain that rally coming into tomorrow? I didn't really like the way we closed, because what I wanted to see the market do yesterday with the momentum was start to fill those gaps that we saw when we declined over the last few days. We failed to do so, and then today, just like in May, we reversed and we gave back all those gains and closed on the lows.
All right, so how long can this bear market last, and do you have any comparisons?
Well, Judy, we've lived through a few of these, and when you go through it, it's not fun. It makes coming to work miserable. It makes looking at your 401k statement painful. But they last on average for 11 months, and thank you to LPL Research for that data point. Ryan Dietrich sent that out. 11 months, we're 5.5 months into it because it starts from January at their peak. So we may have a little ways to go based on average data. The average drop is about 29%, so there could be ways to go.
Okay, so now, what would you say to those longer-term investors who are experiencing a bear market, an extended bear market for the first time?
Yeah, I say, for someone that's lived through it, it's not fun, but, we have a lot of new people in this market, and this is your first experience. Just think about it. The market is on sale over the long term. You're buying what you know, buying what you use, buying what you believe in, and if you invest wisely and smartly over time, that this will be a buying opportunity, and you'll be glad that you were in the market.
All right. Thanks for joining me, Jay.
Hey, thanks for having me.